Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of trading and investing. So today we are delving into a topic that's often the difference between success and failure in the markets, like trading psychology. So in this section one, we have to understanding the trading psychology. So before we dive in, let's understand what trading psychology is all about. Like trading psychology encompasses the emotions, mindset, and behavior that influences our trading decisions and outcomes. It's about mastering your own mind to navigate the complexities of financial markets. Section 2 it includes the role of emotions in trading. Emotions are an integral part of trading and they can often cloud our judgment. Graph showing fear of losing and next is developing a winning mindset. So how do we cultivate a mindset that leads to success in trading? So it starts with adopting a winning mindset, one that's patient, disciplined, and adapted. So like managing risk efficiently is essential for preserving capital and staying in the game during inevitable rounds. So finally, let's talk about overcoming psychological barriers. So that hinders our trading performance, like whether it's a fear of failure or the need of perfection. Learning to overcome these barriers is key to unlocking your full potential as a trader. In conclusion, mastering trading psychology is not just about understanding charts and indicators, it's about mastering yourself. So, by cultivating emotional discipline, developing a winning mindset, and implementing effective risk management, you can position yourself for success in the market. So, thank you for joining on this journey into fascinating world of trading psychology. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on trading and investing. So, until next time, happy trading.